open house. We've been wanting to enter on this. Oh, cool, boy. Chang, oh, papunta ka doon, no? Ito talaga yung tangke? Oh my goodness, this is awesome. Lucky you. Oh. Oh, ayun pa. May mga Armalite. Ito pala sa Armed Forces. Oh. Oh, ang ganda. Oh, hawakan mo yun, oh. Nakikita mo na sa movie. Ano kaya naka-cover doon? Tara. Pwede ba?
Yeah.
Patay, barilin dito.
Patay tayo.
Ayaw mo picture sa tangke? That's cool. 38 Service Battalion. Oh! That's cool. Thank you.
So this is how we camouflage our truck when we're actually deployed out in the field.
Oh.
And if you come in here, this here is one of our main vehicles that we use for transporting personnel
Wow.
and cargo when we're in the field.
That's
And
cool.
if you want to, you can actually climb right up in the truck and see what it's like.
Do you want to get it?
Yeah, you can go. And,
But in real life, this is like from the grass. You made up from the grass, right? Or still
This is actually what we use.
for in the. Oh, okay.
Yep.
It's like.
Yeah, go there
But-
and,
Okay, I'll do it. Okay, for the purpose of my channel, Jho Criz channel. This is how it looks like, boy. Look, this is real. Woohoo! There. That's cool.
no. This is just
Cool. Oh, Canadian.
So when we go to other countries where there's a lot more chance of danger, we actually have trucks with blast-proof cabs and stuff
Oh,
like
there. Cool.
that. Basically, community relations, letting the local population understand what we do here and
Oh, okay.
things like that. And if people want to, there's also an opportunity for recruiting. So if people
Oh, yeah.
enough, we
Mhm.
can give them more information and stuff like that. Unfortunately, most teenagers are 55.
Waterfall.
That would be more problem with them. That's cool. Oh, it's nice. Thank you very much.
No problem. Have a good day.
You too. Or just this one is okay. Cool. You want? Yo. Oh, grabe boy. Oh, tignan mo lang. Tangke talaga. Kita ang belly. Ayaw makit doon. Gusto mo paadam ka. Grabe. Yan yung Act 1. Grabe, oh. First time nilang i-open to. Lucky. Pupunta na sa Queen City X. Hindi nung pumunta tayo, wala eh. O, hindi lang natin napansin. Oh, let's go to the other side. Oh, this is much more. Yun yung ano. Ay, no. Yung mapapicture sa kanila, yung mga Oh, they're recruiting. Oh,
A lot more of a lightweight way of having a satellite than probably, a giant metal head.
You can see inside it too.
what's that? What's that?
You can see inside there too.
Oh, the satellite. Okay, I can. Can you see what's inside?
And calling.
I'm
Just kidding.
use it for that, but it's for communicating with satellites.
That's
And
cool.
what we have here is this is our command post. Yeah, and so we can drive this out wherever you want to put it, and then now you have all your center for communications and command wherever you want it.
But this is only used inside Canada, not outside, like Afghanistan.
No, generally, I don't think we would use equipment like this for Afghanistan. Kind of
Oh.
works differently depending on what.
The soft sides, this is the down side. You want a hard protection for Afghanistan because
They can throw scrap stuff that don't penetrate through the skin. So you'd actually want a hard surface. Not gonna say armored, but basically.
Wow, thank
know
you.
what?
This is
Kind of, yeah. So this isn't quite set up how a command post usually would be, but normally you'd have an area that's kind of dedicated to all of your radio operators and your signalers, and you
wow.
manning all the communications.
That's cool.
You have a duty officer who's kind of keeping
Cool.
along with all the important information that comes in on communications. They're keeping a map up to date of everything that's been going
Oh
on
my
in
God.
space. All the locations of your friendly forces and enemy forces, kind of missions that are going on.
boy.
All of these friendly guys are infantry. The lightning bolts here, those are signals, so that would be us. That would be artillery, field hospital, and supply right there.
That's the turkey. Turkey. Oh my kulay. Zipper. Oh my goodness. Kaloka. Ang daming ano. Ay! Oh, and
Lean over and extend your arm. No upward motion. The minute you move your arms out, I stop, and then push straight forward as I lean. And that's all.
Huh? The popular mini donut. Uwa. Opo, grabe. Umiikot na, umiikot pa. Yee! Ha? Tumalsik ang sundero? OMG. Ha? Tuloy-tuloy eh. Ilang ikot kaya yun? Ha? Ilang ikot? Isa lang? Ah, hindi. Isa lang? Oh.
Isang mababa, tapos isang mataas, tapos
Sa dalawang ikot. Una mababa, mataas. Ha? Wala na excited.
Be back at the Queen City X with live country. Now, while I'm doing some of the special introductions here, my friend Janae, she has some goodies to throw out as well. So hopefully her throwing art goes well.